That sleek, boutique layout caught my eye while scrolling through my feed. But I immediately felt that familiar tug of skepticism that usually comes with these high-end looking online stores. Velora Canberra presents itself with this incredibly polished aesthetic that mimics a luxury brand perfectly. You see the categories like most loved, and you see claims of thousands of happy shoppers popping up everywhere. It feels right. It feels professional. But a gorgeous website is not a guarantee of a legitimate business anymore. We live in an era where anyone can buy a ready-made template for a few bucks and fill it with stunning stock photography. Those photos of stylish models might look like they belong in a high-fashion magazine, but they do not always reflect the actual product that shows up at your door weeks later. I spent some time digging into the transparency of the operation, because that is where the truth usually hides. A real store wants to be found by its customers. They list a clear physical business address. They make their customer service details easy to find and easy to use. When those things are buried in the fine print or missing entirely, your alarm bells should be ringing loud and clear. I always tell people to look at the shipping and return policies before they even think about adding a single item to their digital cart. This is where the trap usually snaps shut. If the return instructions are vague, or if they require you to ship an item back internationally at your own expense, you are taking a massive financial risk. That $50 dress becomes a major liability if it costs you $40 just to return it because the fabric feels like cheap plastic or the stitching is falling apart. You have to be a digital detective. Check independent review platforms to see what real humans are saying about their experiences. Do not just trust the glowing testimonials on the site itself. Those are easy to fake. Look for patterns in the feedback. Are people complaining about the sizing being way off? Is the support team completely non-responsive when an order goes missing? These are the red flags that matter much more than a pretty layout or a fancy logo. There is no immediate proof that this specific site is a total fraud, but it fits the profile of many newer boutiques that prioritize style over substance. You have to protect yourself first. Use secure payment methods and avoid the pressure of those fake countdown timers that try to rush your decision-making process. A legitimate business will still be there tomorrow. Don't let a polished photo distract you from the basic facts of the business. Take your time and read every single word of the fine print. Your money is hard-earned, and you should only spend it with companies that are open about who they are and where they come from. It is so easy to get swept up in a deal that looks too good to be true. Just remember that the internet is full of these digital storefronts that appear overnight. Some are great finds, but many are just clever marketing designed to grab your cash and disappear into the void. Stay sharp and keep your guard up when you are browsing these boutique-style sites. If you feel like something is off, it probably is. Trust your gut and do the research before you click that buy button.